Hi FUHSD students, this tutorial will show you how to turn in late or missing work, how to find it actually, and we'll go through that process together so you can see, and then we'll talk about how you can make sure that your teacher gets that late or missing work. Okay, so in Schoology we are going to a course where we know we have some late or missing work, and we are going to open that up, and then over on the left hand side you're going to click on Grades. And in the grades section, you'll see any of the items that might be missing. Over on the right-hand side, you'll see an orange hexagon, or you might just see a 0. If that is the case, then you will be able to click on the assignment to complete it. Here we have one here, and then I'm scrolling down. You might see that these items are closed. I think they actually default to being open, but then you can just click here and the tick on the left-hand side and open and close it. You'll find those missing assignments and you'll complete them. Make sure that once you complete them that you follow your teacher's instructions for completing late or missing work. Your teacher will want you to email him or her, or your teacher will want you to submit a Google form that shows that you've completed that missing or late work. Don't forget that step, because otherwise the teacher might not be able to find it, or it might just get kind of shuffled into the mix. And so it's really important to communicate with your teacher about that late or missing work. And if you have any questions, please contact your teacher or contact your library media teacher.